Hello everyone, in today's video, I am going to show you how to block someone on Google Meet in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys is that we need to go to the Google Meet website. Okay, so guys, in today's video guys, if you want someone that actually if you don't like them, if you don't have any interest on them, you can actually block them on Google Meet. Okay, so what we're gonna do guys is we need to go to the left side and we have here meetings and calls. So you can actually go to the calls for you to check the calls that you have earlier. Okay, so here guys, so let's say here this contact guys, you can just have to click these three dots. Okay, click that one. As you can see here, we have here two options: remove from list or block the user or block user. If you click this one guys, so something will pop up this, so this person won't be able to call you directly on Meet, but you might still interact with them if you're in a meeting or group call with them. Okay, so it says we have two options here. So if you want to block this one guys, this person, you can just have black click this black button here. So for me, I don't need to do that. Okay, so that's it guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on Google Meet. Thank you.